In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows Update error code 9C48. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So this will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. This will also help you in fixing the issue. So simply follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, so follow the on-screen instructions. It will ask you for the problem that you're facing, and then again just simply follow for the on-screen instructions. After running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on it under the best match. Look for the Windows Module Installer. Just scroll down to the W section. Here it is. Double click. Change that to automatic. Click on Stop. Click on Start. Apply and then OK. Close the services window. Right click at the Start button. Shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.